Okay.
Okay, I would like to say about Zen Windows that I'm very happy with the overall service and the product. I love my windows, they're beautiful. I opted to get windows without a grid in them, and I'm very happy that I did because our previous ones had grids, and the guys are very professional and cleaned up. Put drop cloths down everywhere, all over my hardwoods, all over my carpet. I didn't have to go back and vacuum, clean up. So I'm very happy, and I would recommend them to anybody.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
And I believe you chose the triple pane.
Yes.
Right?
We got the triple pane.
Have you noticed a sound difference or anything since you've had them? I know it's only been a...
Yes, I have.
Have you?
With the kids playing outside and
Very muffled?
the birds, yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's
Well,
nice.
Wait till the sun comes out. You're
Yeah.
gonna notice a good difference too.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.